Hello and welcome to my unboxing of the CJS-X7 Pro drone. Got this recently on eBay for £128.90. Oh, that is a nice looking case. Let's see what's inside. Compartment. Nothing in there. So there's the controller. Well, that's a beast. That's really light. Supposedly it takes 4 AA size. These are fake antennas. There's nothing in there whatsoever, as you can see. No wires leading to them, so they don't actually do anything. That is really light, that is. I used to own a Mavic Mini, but I got rid of it. Let's look in this box. Some props, full set of props, then the sticks and charging cable, and a screwdriver to change the props, the sticks for the controller. So that's what's in that bag. And then a quick start guide. So there's the props and the replacement screws. So they can go back in there for now. Now the drone itself, that is heavy now. Remove gimbal clamp before powering on. So that's the gimbal protector. You can see the model. So in theory, oh, they are stiff. They are really stiff. There's the micro SD slot. Obviously the camera, the brushless motors, the battery has got some charge in it, so that's not too bad. The battery wasn't actually pushed all the way in. That is really light, and then you've got that, and then obviously it's left some marks on the sticky marks on the top. Let's have a look at this. This is supposed to be quite tricky to get off. There we go. And there's the 2-axis gimbal. It's not got side to side, it's just up and down and side like that. So as the drone moves. But after purchasing this, I actually found they did the Eachine EX4 Pro, and that's actually got a 3-axis gimbal and a longer range of 3 kilometers compared to this one. So that'll be my next purchase when I've got some more money. But there's the drop. That is really light, and the tiny battery. So it's 7.4, 2,800 milliamps. Now, from what I've been reading online, this is taking up to 7 hours to charge, so the charging system inside can't be that good. But let's have a quick. Oops. I've got no batteries for the controller at the minute, so I can't see it. I'm properly connected. And there we go. That's a quick unboxing of the CJS-X7 Pro, the GPS smart drone. Thanks for watching.